team from Stanford and the Chan Zuckerberg Biohub just created a fully autonomous virtual lab made up of AI scientists. And these agentic AIs operate like a real research team. There's a principal investigator, what we call a PI, specialist researchers, and then collaborative debates on the hypothesis and methodology, the works, except it all happens at machine speed.
How does this thing work? What does it really do?
There's a central AI PI, so principal investigator, that assembles a task-specific team of AI agents that can independently request tools, prior literature, and these tools can be like AlphaFold, right? And they evaluate trade-offs, and then they iterate designs. Very much similar to the research meetings that we have in wet and dry labs across the country. So human scientists were only needed to really intervene in about 1% of cases, which is kind of wild to think about how you can really supercharge that workforce, right? Or in this case, a research team.
So is this a lab-only thing yet? Have they produced anything of these virtual collabs and meetings and discussions actually produced anything of value at this point?
In just days, the AI team generated 92 nanobody designs, 2 of which successfully bound SARS-CoV-2 variants in lab tests. And that's not a simulation. That's real-world molecular binding validated in a physical lab.
It's fascinating to me to see that we, A, need bunches of tools put together, and that B, when you put like a bunch of LLMs together, which are really the same LLM, but given different roles, and like they actually are smarter than just one. It's just surprising me that does more than just telling the LLM what you want it to do.
Well, this is a wonderful example of how AI tools are really transforming the whole R&D departments of life sciences in terms of when we think about traditional pipelines for research and drug design or drug testing, which used to span multiple years, decades plus, right? How you can really shrink that time and accelerate the R&D process, save costs, and bring insights to bedside in a shorter timeline.